this is a treat for all Parv Kaila fans, also known as Suketu of Nisha Aur Uske Cousins, to get to know more about him. Let's hear it from him.
Hi, I am Parv Kaila. 10th November 93. Nonu. Scorpion. Delhi. My emotional strength are my mom and dad. They pushed me like I can do anything for them. My mom is the one I would like die for any moment and do anything to make her happy. I always want my dad's nose. बोलते हैं ना पापा की नाक हमेशा या गर्दन हमेशा ऊंची रखना. तो हमेशा से मैं उस तरह का बच्चा रहा हूँ कि पापा के लिए मैं मतलब एज एन कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ अगर उनकी नाक और उनकी गर्दन ऊंची रखनी हो तो. ऐसे ऐसे अगर आपने सन साइन पूछा ही है तो स्कॉर्पियंस के साथ ये होता है कि वो बहुत इजीली मतलब एक बार वो किसी चीज़ को लाइक करने लग जाते हैं तो दे हैंग ऑन दैट थिंग. क्लिंग ही होते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा. एक बार क्लिंग कर लिया किसी चीज़ पे कोई चीज़ पसंद आ गई तो उसके लिए वो कुछ भी करते हैं उसको पाने के लिए. तो आई कैन इफ आई हैव मेड अ गोल एंड आई हैव मेड अप माई माइंड दैट आई हैव टू अचीव इट एनी हाउ एंड आई एम वेरी इम्पेशेंट. लाइक मैं इतना इम्पेशेंट हूँ कि मुझे अगर वो चाहिए तो मैं तभी का तभी आई विल स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन इट. आई वुडंट इवन वेट फॉर अ डे टू डू दैट. व्हाट कैन ईजिली इम्प्रेस मी? पर्सन गुड बाय हार्ट, पीपल who are genuine. Yes, caring people, genuine people, people who lie very less. Like they are not perpetual liars. I like such people. These things impress me a lot. I am crazy about football. First thing, that's my first love. Football is my first love. I remember when I was in 10th standard, I almost missed every class of mine. I bunked every class. I was always like, teachers used to like scold me a lot for missing my lessons and everything and going for football practices. And my coach, he was the one who used to make me bunk it. He used to call me in front of the class that, Parv, come out. We have to practice football. And yes, I'm crazy about football, basketball. Then toys. I love playing with toys. I love playing with Beyblades. I love playing with action figures. I love all these kind of things. My PlayStation is my second love. And then, yes, girls, obviously. My hobbies. Yes, I play mouth organ. That is harmonica. My dad taught me playing mouth. We were in Vaishno Devi back then. He bought me a small mouth organ. So he used to tell me that this mouthpiece, he used to love it. So he taught me how to play it. I love playing mouth organ. And then I used to play guitar when I was in 10th and 11th, but after that I never got time. And then acting, obviously. I love acting because it helps me depict my emotions that I wouldn't really show up in front of people in my personal life. So I can do it here. I remember I was into hacking. So I was in 8th class and I was into hacking. So I learned MySQL injection and I was selected as 12th best. And I remember they made me a member of Indian Cyber Warriors. Destiny. I somewhat believe in it, but I don't want to totally rely on it because people who really believe on destiny don't really make actions to work for what they want in life. Like they leave it on the destiny, but I can never leave. I can never rely. I can never depend on anything except me. So I believe in doing actions myself. In Mumbai, see, I like this place. I like Carter Road a lot. I go there very often. Yes, Carter Road is the happening place for me. Kasol, lovely place. I love to go there for some reasons that I cannot really tell you right now. Yes, Kasol is the place. I love it. Out of India, Miami. Anyhow, any day. Craziest fan encountered so far. There are these school-going girls who have named their surname after me. I remember I wouldn't name them, but वो लोग क्या करते हैं अपने नाम के आगे कायला लिख देते हैं या मेरे नाम से अपने पूरी प्रोफाइल बना देते हैं. There are many of them. They send me crazy, cute messages, and I don't know how they came to know about my address and everything. So they have been sending chocolates and all sort of gifts. And my dada is परेशान now. He's like, हर रोज़ कोई आता है पर नाम नहीं बताता, कुछ ना कुछ देके चले जाता है. तो I don't know a name I would like to know. There is this guy Shahbaz Aslam. So he sent me a watch, very beautiful watch, very classy. And he sent me this wallet and he sent me some gifts. He sent me a Ganesh Ji ka murti also. That was very cute. That was very, very nice of him. He being like, we guys keep talking about religion and everything. He belongs to another religion. He's sending me Ganesh Ji ki murti, knowing that I am a Hindu and I follow all these gods. That was something that really touched me. I would thank him for that. Like, I like getting compliments when people say that, altogether you're a nice person, you're very helping, you're very caring, and I don't know if I'm caring or not, but I do help people a lot. So I put myself into trouble and I do help them. So that's the best compliment I might have gotten so far. Leonardo DiCaprio any day, and my inspiration is Leonardo DiCaprio. And there's this guy called Richard Jan Kaleta. He was in Karma Models. I used to work in this modeling agency. So, fabulous person. I would like to be with him. I'm incomplete without my family, and I'm incomplete without. I would be totally incomplete without my mother. There's this thing that I really want, and there's this person I really miss in life. There's this friend of mine. There's this which I am incomplete about. So so somehow we have fought and we are not in talking terms anymore, but someday we will. So yeah, thank you so much. I love you all, and thank you so much for the support. Like, I've never played such kind of a character. I've always played very decent guy, very innocent guy, very subtle guy. So this was a challenge for me. And you guys, like, I thought I would look like a fool in front of the screen, but you guys really are liking it and you're supporting me so much. So, like, this gives me a lot of confidence. I would try to make it as happening as I can. And the love back to you.
We hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and also got to know more about Parv Kaila. Ruchika Singh with cameraman Babaji, India Forums, Mumbai.
Hi, this is Parv Kaila. You're watching me on India Forums, and please subscribe to What's Up TV.